seed. If you ever burn the seed, you're gonna kill the breed. I'm asking you again, do you smoke marijuana? Do you smoke marijuana? Do you smoke marijuana? Do you smoke marijuana? In days of old, when man was bold and touchy, it was not recommended. Man used to put ganja weed on tobacco leaf and went away feeling relieved. But now that the Chinese invented, Sister Nancy burn it and feel contented. That's why it has to burn, and the judge moon stars and sun. Burn it and the judge moon stars and sun. Do you smoke marijuana?
Please subscribe to LB the Boss videos on YouTube for more of this performance.